Palm oil, a key ingredient in many African dishes, from Nigeria to Ghana, Cameroon to Sierra Leone. Our soups, stews, porridge won't taste the same without palm oil. But if you have diabetes, you might have asked yourself, is palm oil safe for me? Will it spike my blood sugar? Can diabetics eat palm oil? And if it is safe, what is the best way to use it in our African meals? Stay with me in this video as I answer the question, is palm oil good for diabetics? If you are new here, my name is Mira Bikono, a registered nurse and a certified diabetes educator. I share videos on diabetes awareness and tips to manage diabetes type 2. If you find my content helpful, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing diabetes. So, palm oil is a natural oil extracted from the fruit of the palm tree. It's been used in African cooking for generations, from soups like egusi and eru, ogbono, to stews, and even in porridge. But here is what makes palm oil so special. Palm oil is naturally rich in vitamin A, which has beta-carotene, which gives it the deep red color and support your good vision. It contains healthy fat that helps with energy and nutrient absorption. It has no direct carbohydrate, meaning it doesn't immediately spike blood sugar levels. But here is the issue with palm oil. The way we use palm oil in cooking can either make it beneficial or harmful, especially if you are managing diabetes. The biggest question that many people struggling with diabetes want to know is palm oil good or bad for diabetics? I have a bad news and a good news, but I will start with the good news, why palm oil can be good for diabetics. So the first reason why palm oil can be good for diabetics is because it doesn't contain carbohydrate, so it doesn't directly spike blood sugar. Number two is that it helps in vitamin absorption. Vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K need fat to be absorbed properly, and that is where palm oil comes in. Number three beneficial use of palm oil for diabetics is that it has antioxidant that helps to reduce inflammation, which is a great problem for people managing diabetes. Now, the bad news. The reason why palm oil can be a problem for diabetics is that palm oil can cause weight gain, and extra weight gain makes blood sugar control harder. The second thing is that highly processed palm oil, that is bleached palm oil, loses its nutrients and may contain unhealthy chemicals. Number three, when fried at high temperatures, palm oil can produce harmful substances that increase the risk of heart diseases, which is already a concern for people managing diabetes. So we have talked about the advantages and disadvantages of eating palm oil when you have diabetes. Now, here is the best way for diabetics to eat palm oil. Number one is to use palm oil in moderation. So a small amount, that is 1 to 2 tablespoons per meal, is enough to give you that flavor without excessive fat intake. Another thing is for you to avoid soups and stews that swim in palm oil. If the oil settles on top, it's probably too much. Number two is for you to choose unrefined natural palm oil. Red palm oil, that is unprocessed one, is the best option because it retains the nutrients. So avoid bleach or overprocessed palm oil, which may contain harmful chemicals. The third best way is for you to cook smart, that is low heat is the best. When frying, use low to medium heat to preserve the nutrients. Avoid deep frying with palm oil. This is because it can turn into trans fats, which are harmful to your heart and blood vessels. Number four, pair palm oil with high fiber food. Add vegetables like spinach, bitter leaf, okra, when cooking with palm oil. Fiber helps to slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Instead of white rice, pair your palm oil stew with brown rice, beans, or even whole grain. Number 5, best way is for you to balance your meals with protein and healthy fat. So use lean proteins like grilled fish, turkey, or chicken to create a balanced meal. Pair with healthy fats from avocado or nuts instead of too much palm oil. Does palm oil spike blood sugar? Now, let's do something practical. You will have to test your blood sugar before and after eating a meal cooked with palm oil to see if it really causes a blood sugar spike. Eating a well-balanced meal, that is meal prepared with palm oil, vegetables, protein, and healthy fats. After 2 hours of eating, you will need to check your blood sugar levels again and then compare your results, that is your before and after results of eating your palm oil food. You will notice that your sugar levels didn't spike that much because you ate palm oil the right way, that is with fiber, protein, and you ate in moderation. Palm oil alone doesn't spike blood sugar, but how you use it in cooking and what you eat it with makes a big difference. To answer our questions, can diabetics eat palm oil? Yes, diabetics can eat palm oil, but remember to use it in moderation. Choose unprocessed red oil. Avoid deep frying. Pair your palm oil with fiber, protein, and healthy carbohydrates. Now, I would like to hear from you. Have you ever noticed any changes in your blood sugar after eating your meals with palm oil? Let's discuss this in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for more diabetes management videos and also diabetes friendly food tips. Also check out on these videos on the screen for more information on how to manage your diabetes effectively. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.